everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
Today we're going to be doing a video on these floor mats for the S550 2015 to 2023 S550 Mustang floor mats from Oedro. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. So here's what it looks like installed. The fitment is really good. It fits around all the contours and everything really well. Today we're going to be doing a video on these floor mats for the S550 2015 to 2023 S550 Mustang floor mats from Oedro. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. These were sent to us to do a review and see how they fit, the quality, everything like that. So we're going to be doing a review today and an installation on our 2020 Mustang to kind of show you what we think of these floor mats and the quality and the fitment and everything like that. The box, I can say these are very nice quality. Very nice the way that they're, I like the way they're textured. It's kind of hard to tell in this video, but they're like a textured material, and the material is not like, it's not like a hard plastic, it's like a soft plastic, so it's flexible. These look really nice as well. I mean, it actually looks like a very well built floor mat. So we're going to take them and install them and kind of see how the fitment is and everything like that. They actually do include you the driver and passenger, which is really nice. And then they actually do include, which I didn't know this, they include you the back ones, which look just as good as the front ones. So that's actually really nice. Here's a video outside so you can kind of see what they look like in the sunlight. The quality is really good. I love how they're like a textured, not a smooth. The ribs in them, I like that as well. It does appear that I'm gonna take my carpeted ones out because they do attach down there. So we're gonna take our carpeted ones out that are in here from OEM, and we're gonna install these in here and kind of show you what they look like once they're actually installed. But I wanted to show you out in the light because it's kind of dark in my car, so you could kind of see what they look like out in the sunlight, comparable to inside my dark car. So here's what it looks like installed. The fitment is really good. It fits around all the contours and everything really well. I have to say that these are really nice. Way better than I expected. And this is the passenger side. I'll show you what the driver's side will look like. Little video before. We can kind of see what it looks like beforehand. And there's the two snap pieces. Here's after being installed. And everything's fitting really good around the edges over here. Everything snaps in here like it's supposed to. Everything's fitting around here really good. This part right here is the only thing I'm kind of having an issue with, is it's wanting to stick out right here. That's the only thing I'm having kind of an issue with right there. But it's also because I just put it in. It could be that it needs to sit in here for a while and kind of form fit. But if not, what I'll probably do is I'll just take some double-sided tape and double-sided tape it right there so it just stays right there. Could be that's what it is, I don't know. Could be that it just needs to sit in here for a while as well. But it looks really good. Here is the back side. Fits like a glove. Especially when you have children in the back seat like me sometimes. They like to throw stuff all over the ground. I will also be doing some videos on how these floor mats compare to the other floor mats that I did have in here from the big name brands. We want to see how long these will last. We'll also do another review video on how long they last after 30 to 60 days. We want everybody to know, hey, are these going to last? Are they going to have problems? Are they going to fold over? So we want you to understand that we will be making more videos on these particular floor mats of this brand. Let you know in 30 to 60 days how they're still doing. We will also be doing some other floor mat videos of this same brand in different vehicles, so that way you can kind of see what they look like in other vehicles besides the S550 Mustang as well. Stay tuned.